go to Colorado.
Here we go.
64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 75. 71. You're back. Then 96 get on. And then 90. No. Oh, and then 25 get off. And then 20 gets on. And then 96 comes off. And then here comes like a more footage.
It's a good landing.
Ladies and gentlemen, we'd like to welcome you to the Denver International Airport with a local time is 9:15 a.m. We will be taxiing for a few minutes, so please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened until the captain has turned off the fasten seatbelt sign. Use care when opening the overhead bins, as contents may have shifted during flight. It has been our pleasure having you on board today. We do hope you had an enjoyable flight, and we hope to have many more opportunities to serve you in the future. Have a great day.
And then something even worse happened. Something less than zero.
What happened?
Alana destroyed the bus.
Passengers making connections here in Denver, all connections should be fine. We've arrived approximately a 1/2 hour early. Your television monitor is located throughout the terminal, listing all connecting cities, gates, and departure times. There will also be a passenger service agent leading the flight who can assist you with all connections.
Did you not feel a big bump?
No, there was no big bump.
I mean, like, did you not feel the force of the touchdown?
What's that in the distance there? That airplane?
2 727s.